What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Blakes Woodshed. Today we are working on this 1998 Mazda B3000. She needs some new wheel bearings. These ones are pretty well gone, and they're actually only about, I don't know, they got 2,000 miles on them or so, but running 2-inch wheel spacers and some offset tires or wheels, and I didn't like that very much. It also needs an alignment and inner tie rods, so put quite a bit of stress on them and they didn't last very long. But quick update here on the Envoy. I know I haven't done anything with this for quite a while, waiting on some more DOM tubing. That's like 3 weeks out, so I can finish up probably trying to mock up my steering, but also I need to get some brackets made to mount all of this tubing and stuff to the frame and the axle, and haven't had a lot of time to do that. So currently the Envoy's sitting in pieces waiting on me. Gonna get a little fire going here, I think, and start working away on this Mazda. Alright, like I said, not the first ones I've done. These are not that old. Last time I replaced the wheel bearings, I also went from the vacuum hub to manual lockouts because someone had been in before, and these clips here that hold it onto the hub, most of them were broken, and somebody had actually super glued one of the springs so that that side was always locked in. They must have been having some trouble with it, and instead of replacing it, because they're pretty hard to find, the ones that are supposed to come in it with the vacuum spring deals, they just super glued it. So I ended up having to just cut everything apart to get it out. But hopefully I can get these new manual lockouts off without breaking them. See what happens here. Alright, so in order to not break all these tabs here, I cut up a piece of beer can and kind of shoved them under each one, hoping that it'll help them climb off of that little lip. Let's see if this thing will pull off. Oh, that's how it's done, boys. Beautiful. Get this thing apart. Alright, so these trucks don't actually have an axle nut. Got a little snap ring and a little, whatever this little metal thing is. This probably wore out past its prime, but get that snap ring out. Once you get your brake caliper and rotor out of the way, take your 3 bolts out for your hub, get your snap ring off, and then that thing should just slide right off of there. See if we can get it out, because I don't actually have snap ring pliers, so we're going to try and use this guy and a screwdriver. That's how I did her last time. Give her all away, bud. That worked out pretty good. There's the snap ring. There's this little I don't really know what this is for. Somebody in the comments knows. Let me know what that's for. I bent the hell out of it pulling it out last time, so I just reshaped it and stuffed it back in there, and I don't know, but this thing should just slide off. Bye. Alright, new wheel bearings on. Snap ring back in there. Good to go. Let's snap this guy back on. Maybe. Might have to do this with both hands. I gotta move the CV axle a little bit here. Hold this. Oh boy. There we go. And click. There she is, boys. And don't forget to put your brakes back on.